The Google Ads interface works fine for most small changes, but if you're regularly making hundreds of changes, you should try the Google Ads Editor. This is what the Google Ads Editor looks like once you've imported your campaign data. If you want to download the Google Ads Editor, just search for it. First, let's see what we're looking at. On the left-hand side, we have the navigation. This is a tree structure of the account, so underneath the account, we have the different campaigns. And within each campaign, we have different ad groups. We can click on each ad group to select it. Within each ad group, we can look down under the Manage tab and select just the keywords or just the ads. If we want to see all of the ads in the account, we can click up here into the account and then make sure we have ads selected down here on the left-hand side. So that controls what we see on the center. Once we click on the center, we're selecting different ads. So for example, on the right-hand side, you can see all of the different fields for this ad. And you can actually make edits right here. It also provides an ad preview so you can see what your ad will look like. The real power in Google Ads Editor isn't in editing one by one like this, but actually to create a filter and make bulk edits. So let's do that. If we drag this across, we can see lots of our ads say powered by machine learning. So let's filter just for those. It appears in headline 2, so let's select headline 2, and then let's type in powered by machine learning. Now you can see we've selected just the ads that say powered by machine learning. If you want to select all of these ads, we just need to click and then press Command on a Mac or Control on a PC. If I wanted to edit this, I could actually make an edit right here. We can see headline 2 is powered by machine learning cause that's common for all of the different ads. Headline 1 varies, but let's use Find Replace. If we click on Replace Text, we can change powered by machine learning to powered by artificial intelligence. However, now we can see we have a problem. We're getting alerts over here. Your headline 2 is over the character limit. Shorten your headline 2 to 30 characters or fewer. You can also see this error on the right-hand side. So now let's edit all of these at once using another method. Command on a Mac or Control on the PC. We want to change this to powered by AI. There we go, no more error. The other thing that's useful about Google Ads Editor is you can actually pull performance data into this interface. So, if we go to Statistics and get Statistics, let's pull the information for a few of our active campaigns. If we go into Performance, we can get the clicks, the cost, the impressions, the click-through rate, and the CPC. We also want some conversion data, so conversions, costs per conversion, and conversion rate. We should also choose our date range. So for example, we're going to get the last 30 days of data. You can also select the date range up here. Let's hit OK. OK, now if we scroll across to the right, we should be able to see our campaign data. We can also resize these columns to make it easier to read. If I click on conversions, it's going to sort them descending. There we go, we can see which ads had the most conversions. The final thing that's good about Google Ads Editor is its interoperability with Excel. So, you can export to Excel, make the changes you want, and then import again in order to post those changes live. To do that, go up to the top, Account, Export, and then you can choose to export the whole account, just selected ad groups and campaigns, or the current view that you're seeing in your pane. So let's select just these top 2 campaigns here and hit OK. It gives you the option to change the name and then save it in a specific location on your computer. When you've made the changes locally, to import again, you just go up to the account, Import from File. One of the great things about Google Ads Editor is that it works as a desktop app offline, so you can make changes locally that aren't actually represented yet in the main account. That means you can collaborate with your team members without making conflicting changes. This is especially good for junior members of staff, who potentially need you to review their campaigns before you put them live. In order to put changes live, you just need to go across here to Post, and then it's going to post all the different changes in your campaign. To review the changes before you put them live, click on this delta symbol here, and you'll be able to see which are the ads or keywords or campaigns that you changed. Hopefully now, you can see how Google Ads Editor can save you time when making lots of changes to a larger account.